How are you guys? I hope you all fine. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will share to you a very interesting and delicate topic concerning our vision, that very important in our life. Please bear with me until the end because I will explain to you how to prevent another type of condition called amaurosis, pojak, or temporary blindness. Amaurosis pojak is a temporary blindness or loss of vision, usually in just one eye, that lasts for seconds to minutes, and also called episodic blindness. It may also sign of something more serious condition such as stroke. Causes of amaurosis pojak. The most common causes of temporary blindness is reduce of blood flow to your eyes. We have large blood vessels on the edge of the neck that bring blood from your heart to your eyes and brain. Fatty deposit called plaque may build up in the blood vessels that even small pieces of plaque may break off from the wall of blood vessels and block blood flow to your eyes that cause temporary blindness. Diabetes, smoking, high blood pressure, and high cholesterol can cause problems in the blood vessels. Migraine, headache, which can cause spasm and narrowing in the blood vessel leading to your eyes. Acute angle closure glaucoma, which causes a sudden rise in the pressure in usually just one of your eyes. Symptoms. The most common symptoms is sudden blindness in one eye that goes away within seconds or minutes, as seeing a curtain or shade pull down over one eye and not painful. Diagnose. This condition is diagnosed by a blood test, ultrasound, which uses sound waves to show picture of the blood vessels in your neck to look for narrowing a blockage. CT scan, which uses X-rays and computer to show detailed picture of your blood vessels in your brain. MRI, which uses strong magnetic field and radio waves to show detailed picture of your blood vessels and brain. An echocardiogram, which shows how well your heart muscles pumping. Prevention. Healthy behavior can help prevent episodic blindness as well as stroke or other health problems. Maintain normal blood pressure, blood sugar, and cholesterol level with diet, exercise, and medicine. Eat healthy diet and keep healthy weight. Stay fit with the right kind of exercise for you. Eye check-up regularly. Early detection of glaucoma, time and appropriate measures should be undertaken. Eat food that are low level in sugar to prevent diabetes. Proper exercise to maintain heavy weight. Treatment. Treatment of temporary blindness depends on its cause. Aspirin or blood thinner or warfarin may be prescribed to help prevent blood clot. High blood pressure, high cholesterol level, and diabetes may be treated with diet and medicine. Stop smoking. If serious blockage of blood vessels in the neck, may need surgery. If eyeglasses can help with the treatment, then your ophthalmologist will advise you to use eyeglasses. People who have cataract can have cataract surgery. Corneal transplantatory surgery. Medication to lower your blood pressure such as beta blocker, angiotensin converting enzyme, inhibitor calcium channel blockers, and the T-side. Surgery such as carotid endarterectomy to clean plaque and reduce stress. We have risk factors. People who undergo eye surgery may become blind. That's all for now, guys. Shout out to all my subscribers. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. And shout out to all my Facebook friends, to all my Facebook groups. And if you have any suggestion or comment, please comment down below. And if you are new to my channel, kindly click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you are updated to my next video. Thank you for watching, and God bless us all.